Sorry about that. Our last video ran out of time. I'll try to wrap this up quickly. We were measuring this angle, and we follow from where our line points at 0 all the way up and around to where it intersects. This is 125 degrees right here between 120 and 130. And we label it 125 degrees. Any angle greater than 90 is called an obtuse angle. Now, we should know that the opposite angle from A should measure the same. So this angle should measure 55, so it should be nice and quick. And we can see that it does indeed measure 55 degrees. There's a little bit of a glare. There you go. This is 55 degrees. And we should know that the opposite of B is D down here. And it should also measure 125 degrees. Follow from 0 all the way up and around. Right there's 125 degrees. So, we can write out our angles over here. This would be angle BCD, and it was equal to 55 degrees. This is angle CDA, and it was also equal to 125 degrees. We need to find the sum of these angles to make sure that they add up to 360. 5, 10, 15, 20. Here's our 2. 5 and 5 is 10. 2, 4, 6, so that's 16. And it's 360 degrees. And then we can also label our line segments. We have segment AB, and it is 2 1/4 inches. Whoops. Segment BC is 2 1/4 inches. Let me fix my 4. Segment CD is equal to 2 1/4 inches, and segment DA is equal to 2 1/4 inches. And now we have additional segments here in the middle, so we're going to label this E. A, B, C, D, this is E. So segment BE, let's see, can you see there? Segment BE equals 1 inch. Segment ED equals 1 inch. Segment EC equals 2 inches. And segment AE equals 2 inches. Don't forget to do your exit ticket.